in honoring the officers who will be served by this commission. So that, Honorable Speaker, we are certain that this commission also serves.
What's your point of order, Honorable Kajwang?
You know, I know, even without reading in the back of my hands, that this house is a house built on the rule of law.
Yes.
But forget about the other order, 97, that 87 that we were discussing. You know, we members and the speaker who has just sat is not just a normal member of this house. He's the leader of minority. So he needs to present himself with a lot of decorum and with a lot of circumspection when he goes about things.
What is out of order, Honorable Kajwang?
Is it in order, and I rise under Standing Order 91, a member shall be responsible for the accuracy of any facts which the member alleges to be true and may be required to substantiate any such facts instantly. He says that the former president led a group of goons. Can this member substantiate the truth and the accuracy of the fact that he is alleging of such a distinguished person that has served this country, that he led a group of goons somewhere to do certain things that he finds deplorable? Is it in order? I want to hold this member very, very responsible to his facts and statements. This is not a laughing matter. He's talking to a person who has served us for 10 years.
You've made your point.
He has served us for 10 years. So there are a lot of people out there who revere this person and who knows that this person is one of the people who has given us these freedoms that he's talking about.
Order. Honorable Rosabu, you will have a moment to contribute. Can you hold your horse until you have... Order, honorable members. Honorable members, order. When you say that the accuracy of that, you have to be able to substantiate the inaccuracy of it. And in this case, because I'm talking from experience, and I'm talking from respecting and upholding the dignity of this house and the rules. The rules are very clear. Standing Order number 87, 1 says, neither the personal conduct of the president, of the president, nor the conduct of the speaker or any judge, nor the judicial conduct of any other person performing judicial functions, nor any conduct of the head of state or government or representative in Kenya of any friendly country, it's qualified, friendly country, or the conduct of the holder of an office whose removal from such office is dependent upon a decision of the House shall be referred to adversely except upon a specific substantive motion of which at least 3 days notice has been given. 2, it shall be out of order to introduce an argument when any specific question upon which the House has taken a decision during the same session, except upon a motion to receive. This is another one. It also says, it shall be out of order to use offensive or insulting language, whether in respect of the members of the House or any other person. Offensive or insulting. It is not the description of a behavior. It's not discussing a conduct. Offensive, like calling somebody a fool or a stupid or whatever it is. So this is the House of Rules, and I agree with you. Order. The political persuasions and the political preferences will be kept out of the House when we are observing the rules.